Good morning for this Tuesday, July 15th, and we are looking at the stock Monsanto. Take a look at this chart real quickly. Look at this. The market has been in a real strong uptrend for quite a while, right? The market hit this high, and look at how we've pulled back. We have pulled back almost in a straight line down to that 50 exponential moving average. But more importantly, look at this. We have come down 6 consecutive days with lower highs and lower lows. You got 1 here, 2, lower high and a lower low, 3, lower high, lower low, then 4 consecutive lower highs, lower lows, and then you got a 5th bar, and then yesterday, Monday, was a 6th. All right. To have 6 consecutive lower highs and lower lows in a seemingly strong uptrend doesn't happen a whole lot. Okay, that does not happen a whole lot. And so I believe this is a very low risk trade, buying the market anywhere in here. Okay, we are currently trading at 120.50, 120.46. You could definitely buy the calls in here. You could buy the in-the-money calls. I would go 119, maybe 118 calls. I would either buy the August or even the September calls, but definitely in the money, or deeper in the money is even better. It's really up to you if you're an options trader. But I believe right in here presents a pretty good trading opportunity where the reward outweighs the risk on this trade. Okay, so again, whenever you're trading, you need to look at that reward to risk, and I believe that if you always have to draw that line in the sand when you take a trade, right? Where are you absolutely wrong and you don't want to be in this trade anymore? Okay, so I use a white horizontal line usually to typically first start off to take a look at what I'm risking, if it makes sense. And I would put that white horizontal line at about just below 117. Okay, roughly about 3 points, maybe 340 away from where it's at right now, 120.34. We are slightly below this high in here that was made on April 3rd. We're slightly below the gray action zone. Okay, and where's our upside on this? Okay, that's a good question. Upside minimum would be about 125. That would be our first objective, 125, and then potentially a retest of the high that was put in place on June 25th, that high at 128.79. So I believe anywhere in here we could get a bounce. Now, one of the stocks I was going to mention today was the APC. Okay, APC, but the market's gapped, as you can see, but this set up beautifully. Nice pullback down from this high back to near the 50. Yesterday we took out the high of Friday, but we gapped higher on that one. Take a look at crude oil real quick as well. Look at, we're really selling off today. Crude is really selling off today, and we've sold off straight down into that 200 exponential moving average, like a straight shot. So I'm going to keep this on my watch list because I'm going to wait for a pattern to potentially get long. When I jump in the market right here, looking for that bounce, no. I'm going to wait to see what happens here in the next couple of days to see if there's a setup. So just take a look at Monsanto. And if you recall, the 3 stocks and 1 ETF that I mentioned yesterday, take a look at those. Remember, I mentioned Goldman Sachs from down here at the white horizontal, like another gap up. So we've got 2 exhaustion gaps so far. Also talked about Facebook. Okay. If you recall, I talked about TNA, the Russell, and then CNX. CNX is pretty much selling off. Let's see how the market reacts to this low here and the stock now. So let's not get too much into too many things here. Take a look at Monsanto. Let's see what happens. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Have a great day. And before I let you go, I want you all to go to this site. Go to https://tradingconcepts.inc.leadpages.net/optionsmd-calendar-spread-strategy. Okay, Doc's got an upcoming class this Saturday July 19th, where he goes over the Options MD calendar spread, okay? Really good class. It's about a 20-minute video. You'll learn a whole lot from this video, and I think you want to jump on board and take a look at what he's got to offer. So go ahead and watch that video and potentially join his class this Saturday, where he will take you through this strategy and the way he personally does it. And I think you'd be amazed at what you'll learn there. But all right, so have a great day. Be profitable, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.